Oh, yeah. Okay, guys, I think we completed everything here, so we can go down now.
No, you sure we didn't do this one?
Oh, yeah. We did
We did this
everything.
one.
Are you on this side now?
So, this is real. Did this?
Yeah.
Oh.
We did everything on the side. What? Yeah, we did.
We didn't do that.
No, we didn't. What?
I said we didn't do that.
Yeah. Oh, I thought you said we did.
Okay. That's you thought? But I got the crown. Light switch mansion, alright? Wait, let's see something real quick. Wait.
This is floor.
I feel like he's running slow to me.
I'm always holding. No, I'm holding what? One side?
No.
No, one base. Okay.
No, you always run. He runs faster. That's not what we're saying.
Yeah, Mario one side.
Yeah, but that's not what we're saying.
Luigi's that side.
Yeah. I feel like I always wasn't this slow. Whatever.
Oh, the light switch is bugging out. Go. Yes, scared. Scared cat can't hurt us now. The light's on. Wait, yo, wait!
Freaking daughter moves around.
Yo, bro, I hate them. Yo, go! Go! Ow.
You got him?
Apparently, he got himself.
Oh!
Go!
Oh, you gotta hit himself first?
Oh, wait, I'm here.
You got that right in the come over there. You following behind the wrong thing, bro. Like, I don't apologize. I got your back. Good job.
I did. It was an emergency. First we try. Then we move. Forgot all the firepower. Yeah, I wish there was a blue power. Can't help. Yeah, Bruce, you have nothing to do against us. Oh. Yeah, that real built different in real built different in Mario 1 as well. Look how much life we have.
I mean, we just bought that thing, right?
That's Fortnite.
See, because you was sitting here trying to brag about stealing points. That's what happened to me.
Oh, we both share the same point. What are you talking about?
You know, watch me. Oh my gosh. Why would you jump there?
Oh!
Oh my God. Get up.
Oh.
You be winning this, like, you feel me, like, yo, gotta take care of each other, man. Communicate. Alright? That was my mistake too, but
I didn't get that.
alright, let's see it. Why did it open up? Let's do some stuff first.
Wait.
I'm sorry. It's gonna be there. That's a trap door.
I went out by accident.
Uh-oh. There's no mistakes in the Mushroom Kingdom. Or the Fungi Kingdom. Oh, we missed something. We didn't get a window stuff.
Yeah. Come on, let's go back.
Can you go back? Go back. Can you go back? Oh, you don't got the crown. It's alright. I was killing that whole game.
Huh? No, I was killing it the whole game.